Yes, good morning everyone, and quickly open Math Magic chapter number 6, page number 97. Chapter number 6 and page number is 97. Factor tree. Today I want to complete this chapter, okay. Come to factor tree, page number 97. In this factor tree, there will be some numbers given, okay, and you have to make the factors of that numbers in a tree form, in a branches form, okay. So that's why it is called the factor tree. This factors you have done in composite maths. That means just you were dividing them separately and then you were finding the factors, isn't it? After that you were just seeing what is the HCF, what is the LCM. Another method, you were just taking the numbers and you were dividing, that was the shortcut division method, okay. But the main thing was that first of all you were finding the factors, isn't it? When you are taking the two numbers or three numbers together, that time also you are dividing and you are finding the factors. So here also you will find the same factors, but you have to draw it in the form of tree or in the form of the branches of the tree. That's why it is called the factor tree, okay. So see, look at the factor tree. Now can you make another tree like this? Now 18, one factor of 18 is 9 into 2, 9 into 2 18. Now 9 again it is divided into 3 into 3. So we have got 3 prime numbers, that is 3, 3 and 2, isn't it? When you will multiply this, 3 into 3 9 and 9 into 2 is 18. That means you are getting the original number, that is 18. Now second one, again 18 is given and you have to make a factor tree, but it will be different from this one. In first one you have taken 9 into 2. So in second one, that is in 18, what you will take? Do it in the book only. What you will take for 18? See, it is given 18, okay, and you have to take two numbers. How can you divide 18? Quickly write in the chat box. Quickly, class 5. It is very easy. 2 and 3. 18, 6, 3. 6 into 3 is 18. Now 3 is prime factor, prime number, you cannot divide it. Now divide this 6, it is 2 and 3. Now 2 into 3 into 3, 18. Clear? Clear? Any more can you make the factor tree for 18? Any more can you make the factor tree of 18? One is 9 into 2 and one is 6 into 3. Any more? No, you can't, okay. You can't make. Now come to the next question. In how many ways can you draw a factor tree for 24? Draw 3 of them below. Now it is given 24 you have to make, but it will be 3. 24, the 3 types of factor tree you have to find. Not find, you have to draw. Let us start. What happened? 24. So 24, first will be for 24. What will be the first one? Yes, 12 into 2. Ovik is writing 12 into 2. 8 into 3 is not 21. No, 8 into 3 and 6 into 4. So let us make first one 12 into 2. Now this 2 you can't break, you can break this 12. It will be 2 into 6. Again this 6 will be broken into 2 into 3. Okay. See, here I don't have the space, that's why I am writing like this, but you will do it properly in your book. Clear? Next, again 24. 8, 3. 8 into 3. Now this 8 into 3. 3 is prime number, you can't. 2 into 4 and 4 you can divide it. 2 into 2, isn't it? You have to divide till the last one is the prime number, and when you are multiplying 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, 24. Here also 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 2, it is 24. Now one more will be 6 into 4. 6 into 4. So 6, 4. Now this 4, it will be 2 into 2, and this 6 will be 2 into 3. So here also we are getting 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. So these are the three different types of factor tree, but the number is same 24. The number is same 24, okay, and it is three types of factor tree. Clear to you? Now come to the next question. Try drawing the factor tree using other numbers also. Now here it is asked to draw some more factor tree by taking some more numbers. Okay, I am rubbing the board. Completed? You have to do it in the book, and after completing the class you will write in the copy. That means you will draw the factor tree in the copy. Yes, the third question. Ojishman, switch off your front camera. For question number 3, I am writing here. For question number 3, I am giving you the numbers. Drawing the factor tree using other numbers. So you will draw factor tree of 36 and 48, this two. Okay, you will draw 36 and 48, as many as you can. That means if you can make 3, 2, but you have to make for 36 and 48. At least make 3 factor tree, 3 different factor tree for 36 and 48. This I am giving homework to you, your puja vacation homework. Clear? Now come to the next question. Tiling problems. See, there is a garden in Anu's house. In the middle of the garden there is a path. Using tiles of length 2 feet, 3 feet and 5 feet. The mason tiled the first row with 2 feet tiles, the second row with 3 feet tiles and the third row with 5 feet tiles. The mason has not cut any of the tiles. Then what is the shortest length of the path? See here, one garden is there of Anu, and in the middle of the garden there they have to pave, they have to put tiles of length 2 feet, 3 feet and 5 feet. You have to find which one is the shortest path or shortest length of the path. These 3 tiles they have put in the path. Okay, just you have to find that which one is the shortest without. And one more thing is given, that here that the mason he has used the tiles without cutting. That means the whole tile he has pushed, he has put in the path. Okay, you have to find the shortest length of the path. So what you have to do to find the shortest length of the path, you have to find the LCM. Okay, LCM of 2, 3 and 5. So the LCM of 2, 3 and 5, it will give you the shortest length of the path which is in the garden. Okay, so let us write it. This is page number 97, question number 1 of tiling. Page 97. Tiling problems and question number 1. Now what you will write? Okay, write. To find the shortest length of the path, to find the shortest length of the path, the LCM of 2, 3 and 5. So find it. 2, 3, 5. 2's are 1, 3 and 5. Now by 3's are 1, 1 and 5. Now by 5's are 1, 1 and 1. Therefore, the LCM of 2, 3 and 5 is 30, isn't it? Hence, the shortest length, of the path is 30. See, in this type of question where you have to find the length of the path and the numbers are given 2, 3 and 5, you have to find the LCM. Okay, you have to find the LCM of the numbers, and that will be the shortest length of the numbers, shortest length of the path. Clear? Now come to the next question, page number 98. Come to page 98. Question number 2. Manoj has made a new house. He wants to lay tiles on the floor. The size of the room is 9 feet by 12 feet. In the market, there are 3 kinds of square tiles, 1 foot by 1 foot, 2 feet by 2 feet and 3 feet by 3 feet. Which size of tiles should he buy for his room so that he can lay it without cutting? See, in question number 2, it is told that Manoj, he has made a new house, and in his house he want to lay the tiles in the room, and the size of the room is given 9 feet by 12 feet. That means 9 feet by 12 feet. That means the length is 12 and the breadth is, or the width is 9. As we know that the longest is the length, isn't it? The longest is the length of the room, or length of that rectangle or square, not square, rectangle. So naturally 12 is the longest one. That means it is the length of the room, and width of the room is 9. In the market, there are 3 kinds of tiles available. One is 1 foot by 1 foot, and second one is 2 feet by 2 feet, and the third one is 3 feet by 3 feet. He has to use tiles among these 3 only, so that none of the tiles should be cut. That means without cutting the tiles, he want to lay the tiles in his room, so that the room should be 9 feet by 12 feet. So what you can find? What can you find? Oh, you have not completed. Okay, I am side. Now complete it. Prarthana, disconnect and join again. Disconnect and join again. Yes, completed everyone? Everyone completed? Now can I start question number 2? Can I start question number 2? Okay. So for question number 2, you have to find the factors of 9 and 12. The factors of 9 and 12. See, as it is given, the size of the room is 9 feet by 12 feet, isn't it? And the tiles available in the market are 1 foot by 1 foot, 2 feet by 2 feet and 3 feet by 3 feet. Now size of the tile that he can choose to lay it without cutting should be the factor of 9 and 12. Okay. So, as we know this 1 foot by 1 foot, it is means 1 is the factor of all the numbers, isn't it? So, 1 foot by 1 foot he can use, and then 2 feet by 2 feet, 2 is not the factor of 9, isn't it? It is the factor of 12, but 2 is not the factor of 9. So, you cannot, not you, Manoj cannot use this 2 feet by 2 feet tiles. Now, come to 3 feet by 3 feet. 3 is the factor of 9 as well as 12, both. So, Manoj can use this 3 feet by 3 feet also to lay the tiles in his room. Okay. So, he has two options. One, 1 foot by 1 foot he can use, or the second one is 3 feet by 3 feet he can use. Okay. Okay, write it. See, I am writing directly, okay. I am writing directly. And those who are present, just send present ma'am to me. Those who are present, just send present ma'am to me. Page number is 92, the second one. See, directly I am writing so that you can understand the question. Two is not the factor of is not the factor of 9 feet, and 9 feet which is the width of the room. Whereas 1 and 3 are factors of both 9 and 12. So, Manoj can buy tiles so Manoj can buy tiles of 1 foot by 1 foot or 3 feet by 3 feet so that the tiles can be laid without cutting, so that the tiles can be laid without cutting. Okay. Now we will move to the third question. See, I want to complete this chapter today. Now come to the third question quickly. The third question is, Rani, Geeta and Nasima live near each other. The distance from their houses to the road is 90 feet. They decided to tile the path to the road. They all bought tiles of different designs and length. Rani bought the shortest tile, Geeta bought the middle-sized one and Nasima bought the longest one. If they could tile the path without cutting any of the tiles, what is the size of the tiles each has bought? Suggest 3 different solutions. Explain how you get this answer. See here, 3 friends are there and their houses are very near to each other, and from their house to the road there is a 90 feet of path, and they want to tile that path. You have to find out that this 3 will use what kind of tile to lay in the path, so that means from the home to the road they will lay the tile. Okay, and you have to find the size of the tile. So what can you do? What can you do? Yes. What can you do for this? Yes, you have completed, I know. See here, length of the path is given 90, isn't it? Length of the path, it is given 90. Now they have to choose the tile so that they can lay the tiles without cutting, and for this it should be the factor of 90, because 90 is the path given. So they have to lay the tiles in such a way so that the tiles will have all the factors of 90. Okay. So as you know, the factors of 90 will be 1, 2, 3, then 5, then 6, 9, 10, 15, 18, 18 5s are, then 30, 45 and 90 itself. So these are the factors of 90. So Rani, she has chosen the shortest tile. So naturally she can use either 1 foot by 1 foot, it is the shortest. Then Geeta, she can choose the tile, the middle one, that is 2 feet by 2 feet. And Nasima, she is at the last, means the longest one. So she can choose 3 feet by 3 feet. Similarly, if Rani is choosing 2 feet by 2 feet, that means in the first option she is choosing 1 feet. In the second option she will choose 2 feet. So 2 feet by 2 feet she can use. Then obviously the next one is for Geeta. She has to use 3 feet by 3 feet. And the next option is for Nasima. She has to use 5 feet by 5 feet. Okay. Similarly, if Rani is using 3 feet by 3 feet, these all are the factors, that means 1, 2, 3, these all are the factors of 90. So 1 by 1 I am taking. If Rani is taking 3 feet, then 3 feet by 3 feet will be the tiles of Rani. Then Geeta, the next one, that is the middle one, she has to take 5 feet by 5 feet, and Nasima, she has to take 6 feet by 6 feet of the tiles. So these are the 3 options chosen by them to pave or to lay the tiles in the path. Okay. Understood? I think you have not understood. See, for this she has to take the factors of 90, not she, all the 3. So 1, 2, 3, then 5, 6, 9, 10, 15, 18, 30 and 40. 45 and 90. These are the factors of 90. Okay, first one, Rani, she is taking the first one. Then Geeta, she is taking the second one, and means the middle one, and Nasima, she is taking the longest one. Now suppose Rani is choosing this one, so 1 by 1 she will use. Naturally the next one is 2, so 2 by 2 she will use. Now Nasima, she have to take 3 by 3. Now second option is that Rani is choosing 2 by 2 in place of 1, she is choosing 2 by 2 of tile. Naturally Geeta will take 3 by 3 and Nasima will take 5 by 5. Okay. Now one more option you have to find. One more option, 3. That means Rani, she is taking 3 by 3 of the tile, means the measurement is 3 feet by 3 feet. Next is 5 feet by 5 feet, and next is 6 feet by 6 feet. That means Nasima, she is taking the longest one, and it will be 6 feet by 6 feet. Okay. Now the more options are there. If now Rani is choosing 5, so Geeta will take 6 and Nasima will take 9. Similarly, if Rani is next option, she is taking 6. Geeta will take 9 and Nasima will take 10. This way it will goes on. Okay. So this you have to write in the statement problem. So very shortly I am writing. You also write in your copy. In a short way you write in your copy. Okay. Question number 3. 90 can be factorized as follows. See, just now I have told 1 into 90, then 90, 2 into 45, these all are the factors I am writing. 3 into 30, 5 into 18, 6 into 15, then 9 into 10. These all are the factors. 1, 92, 40, 5, 3, 35, 5, 18, 6, 15, 9, 90. Sorry, 9 and 10. These all are the factors of 90. So at the end you will write that hence possible tiles can be as follows. It can be 1 into 1, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, that means 3 feet into 3 feet. I am not writing feet. 5 into 5 and 6 into 6, etc. like this. 7 into, not 7, 9 into 9, like this it will goes on. Okay. So this way you will write this question number 3. Okay students, that's all for today. You practice whatever we have done once more in your rough copy, otherwise you will forget the thing what I have told you. Okay, because all these 3 questions for tiling, it is a tricky question. So that's all for today. Bye all of you, and practice whatever I have done today.